Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to force Excel to keep leading zeros in your product codes, phone numbers, or zip codes. By default, Excel treats any string of digits as a standard number and automatically drops any zeros at the front, turning a code like 00123 into just 123. First, highlight the empty column or cell range where you plan to type your numbers. Go up to the top menu ribbon and click on the Home tab. Look inside the number group and click the drop-down menu that currently says General. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list and select Text. Now, when you type your number starting with a 0 and hit Enter, Excel treats it as a literal text string and keeps the leading zeros perfectly intact. If you already have a massive column of numbers where the zeros were already deleted, changing the format to text won't bring them back, but you can restore them instantly using a custom format mask. Highlight your broken numbers, press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells window, and click Custom at the bottom of the list. Click into the Type input box, delete the word General, and type a string of zeros equal to the exact length your codes should be. For example, type 00000 if all your product codes must be exactly 5 digits long. Click OK, and Excel will automatically pad the front of every number with the missing zeros to satisfy your exact layout length. And that's it. Your number formatting is now completely locked down. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.